welcome to the Homemaking Exchange. My name is Diana, and in this video we are making double chocolate banana muffins. To a medium-sized mixing bowl, add your all-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and then whisk those together until they're well combined. Set that aside and get a large mixing bowl. Add egg, granulated sugar, brown sugar, vegetable oil, and then you're going to stir those together until they're smooth. Mash up some overripe bananas. Mash them up really well so it's kind of like baby food. Then you're going to add those as well as sour cream and vanilla extract. Stir those together until they are well combined. It will be pretty runny at this point. Then you're gonna sift your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients. You can use your fingers or the whisk to push those last little bit of lumps through the sieve. Gently fold and mix this just until it's combined. You just want it to be moistened. You don't want to overmix this, but you want to make sure that there's no pockets of dry ingredients. And as soon as that is combined, go ahead and stop mixing. Add chocolate chips and gently fold those in. Line a muffin pan with some cupcake liners and spread them lightly with non-stick cooking spray. I actually had enough batter to make 14 of these, so I had to add liners to an extra pan. So it just kind of depends on the size of your bananas, how much batter you end up with. Divide your batter evenly between those. They're going to be pretty much full, but you don't want them to be all the way to the top. Bake these at 425 degrees for 5 minutes to help them rise properly. And then without removing the muffins from the oven, you're going to just drop the temperature down to 350 degrees. And then finish baking them for another 10 minutes or so, just until a toothpick inserted in the middle of the muffin comes out clean. Let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. And then you're going to carefully use a fork to remove those from the pan and place them on a wire rack to finish cooling. They're all done. You can go ahead and enjoy your muffins. They're really soft and moist and a great way to use up any overripe bananas that you may have. If you are interested in making this recipe, I will leave all the information for it in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.